Okay, Tails, we're coming up on the final stretch. Just a few more rings and that Chaos Emerald's as good as ours. Be sure to watch out for the spike traps along the way, okay?
Okay!
Tails! Tails, are you alright? How are you holding up?
Okay!
Whew. Well, try to be a little more careful from now on.
Okay!
Tails! Tails, what did I just say?
Okay!
You know what? Never mind. Just stay in the middle.
Okay!
Damn it, Tails! You're costing us all of our hard-earned...
Okay!
Oh no! The emerald! Huh?
Snooping as usual, I see.